Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of multi-tools with the Leatherman Wave Plus, touted as the best Leatherman tool for everyday carry. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. You're out and about, faced with unexpected challenges, and in need of a reliable tool that can handle it all. Look no further than the Leatherman Wave Plus. With its sleek design and impressive functionality, this multi-tool is the epitome of versatility and durability. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Leatherman Wave Plus is built to withstand whatever life throws your way. Boasting 18 tools in one compact package, it's like having a toolbox in the palm of your hand. From household fixes to outdoor adventures, this multi-tool has you covered. Let's talk about what sets Wave Plus apart from the competition. With features like knives, pliers, wire cutters, scissors, and screwdrivers, among others, there's no task too big or small for this powerhouse. Plus, with premium replaceable wire cutters, you can count on this tool for years to come. One of the standout features of the Wave Plus is its user-friendly design. Each tool is easily accessible and locked securely into place for safe and efficient use. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to multi-tools, you'll feel right at home with the Wave Plus. Weighing in at just 8.5 ounces, the Wave Plus is designed for everyday carry. Slip it into your pocket or attach it to your belt, and you'll forget it's even there, until you need it, that is. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the Wave Plus's durability, versatility, and performance. Whether it's tackling household repairs or making on-the-go adjustments, this multi-tool is a game-changer. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the ultimate EDC companion, look no further than the Leatherman Wave Plus. With its unmatched quality, functionality, and reliability, it's a must-have for any toolbox. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy multi-tooling.